Hey guys, this is AppWiz. So how to chat on Duolingo. So first thing that you will do is open the Duolingo application on your device. And in order for you to chat, just simply go ahead and tap on this bell icon. And from here, you will have add friends. So just simply tap on this. And from here, guys, just simply tap on find contacts and tap on allow. And from here, guys, just simply provide your phone number and tap on next. And after that, a 6-digit code will be sent to you from here. Just simply provide the code, tap on next, and after that, guys, you'll be able to invite your friends, so you will be able to chat with them. And another option, guys, is you will have here connect to Facebook, but since I don't have that option, I will be able to show you. But in some cases, there will be a connect to Facebook over here. So just simply connect to your Facebook in order for you to chat on Duolingo. Or lastly, you can tap on invite friends, and you can tap on a text message, and you'll be able to select who you are going to chat with there. You go, guys. Just simply connect your Duolingo into Facebook, and you should be able to chat on it. There go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you.